Hello everybody, this is Jason at Extended Suites coming to you from Amarillo, Texas. So, as you can see, my awesome cameraman or camera woman is going to pan this beautiful iPad around so you can see the new Extended Suites in Amarillo. Now this is a work in progress, okay? So we have just put up this sign, which a lot of people can see right now, but the larger sign is due. It's almost here. So let me pan this around. Let me show you guys something real quick. Hold on, let me grab this from you. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Sorry about, oh, okay. Hold on just 1 second, please. All right, so as you can see, we'll go Harry Potter style. So as you can see, we've got beautiful bones. This is a 96 unit property. We have chopped down the trees. We do love Mother Nature. It's not like we're not tree huggers. We are, but however, we don't want the trees to get in the way of our beautiful signage, which is right here and will be right there. I'm telling you, wait and see what happens when we actually implement the rest of our business model, the signage, the lighting. It's a 96 unit fitness center. You've got swimming pool, you have meeting space. We already put up our open sign, so people are already checking it. We're doing really good so far. So it's a great start to Extended Suites Amarillo, and it just came from there. And we have an amazing location. So we're gonna take a few more photos. We are right on the highway. You cannot miss us. We will blind you with the lighting that we put in the sky. So anyway, we're looking forward to really good numbers here, really good revenue, and I hope Tom crushes it, which we know he will. All right, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one from Amarillo Extended Suites. Adios.